Ngorongoro Crater. Located in Tanzania, the Ngorongoro Crater is a natural wonder that transports you to a realm of extraordinary beauty and wildlife. Formed millions of years ago from a collapsed volcano, this magnificent crater is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a sanctuary for diverse flora and fauna. Spanning over 260 square kilometers, the Ngorongoro Crater is the largest intact volcanic caldera in the world. The crater boasts a mesmerizing landscape which consists of various types of terrain, from rolling grasslands, sparkling soda lakes, and patches of dense forests. The crater's unique ecosystem supports a remarkable concentration of wildlife. Lions, elephants, buffaloes, leopards, and rhinoceroses, the iconic Big Five, roam freely within its boundaries. You will also encounter wildebeest, zebras, cheetahs, hyenas, and an abundance of bird species. The opportunities for wildlife sightings are unparalleled, and each moment brings you closer to nature's wonders. Beyond the incredible wildlife, the Ngorongoro Crater also has a rich cultural heritage. The Maasai people, renowned for their unique culture and traditional way of life, inhabit the surrounding areas. A visit to a Maasai village offers a glimpse into their ancient customs, dances, and crafts. A visit to the Ngorongoro Crater is an extraordinary journey into the heart of Tanzania's wilderness. It's a chance to witness the power and beauty of nature, to connect with wildlife, their natural habitat, and to create lifelong memories.